So I felt like today was the time for me to sign the proclamation, which declares Omaha the state of emergency for 72 hours.
Omaha now under a state of emergency. It comes after a second case of community spread was found here in the city. Good evening, I'm Jennifer Griswold. That second case has now prompted an aggressive response from local and state officials, including the mayor declaring that state of emergency and major changes coming to restaurants, bars, and schools in the near future. Reporter Rudolph Snyder has more on those responses and the new order restricting groups to 10 people or fewer.
The Douglas County Health Department has now announced 4 new coronavirus cases. One of those cases is the second instance of community spread.
We cannot find a risk for this individual. The individual has not traveled, has not had contact with anyone that is positive for COVID-19.
The community spread case is a 46-year-old man who was hospitalized with a cough and fatigue and tested positive for the virus late Tuesday. This has prompted swift action from officials. The Douglas County Health Department has now implemented an order restricting crowds of 10 or more until April 30th.
This is an order. It is enforceable by law enforcement.
Douglas County health officials say that order will be amended to close bars and restaurant dining areas by Thursday.
One thing that will be in a new order, in an amended order that we don't have in this, is that we are closing bars and closing restaurants and only have restaurants open for drive-through, delivery, or takeout.
As businesses will be affected by these decisions, the mayor decided to issue an executive order Wednesday to create an advisory board to provide assistance for different sectors, like small businesses and childcare.
Every one of us up here understands how difficult this is now for every single person in the community.
She also declared a state of emergency for the city of Omaha. This gives the mayor more power to make quick decisions she deems necessary. Things, for example, like setting a curfew, which has not yet been discussed.
It is important that we are all driving the same message and that we are all in this together and we all want to be proactive instead of reactive.
The mayor says this is a rapidly changing situation and the city and county are responding in accordance to state and national guidance and recommendations. Reporting in Omaha, Rudolph Snyder, 3 News Now.
The Omaha Police Department will perform compliance checks on businesses not following the 10 and under rule, but will work with businesses figuring out how the new rules work for a smooth transition. Governor